Hi, welcome to Educational Job Guide YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see PhD admission notification from one of the government institute. It will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for this type of opportunity. So please share this video with your friends and colleagues to get my next video on notification. Subscribe the channel and then tap the all bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this multiple discipline or subjects notification from this. And now while coming to the present content of this video. So it is the official website of this institute. So you can check down here Institute of Development Studies Kolkata. It is official website. If you enter into this website, you may check down here this type of interface. If you scroll it, then you will see the announcement section. Here mention the admission to PhD in Development Studies 2025. If you click on this one, then you will see this type of interface. Here mention the PhD Prospectus 2025. If you click on this one, then it will be directed to this notification. So here the official notification is given. So let's check about which departments are having the which subject notification. PhD in Development Studies Prospectus 2025. Institute of Development Studies Kolkata, University of Calcutta. Here mention the about IDSK, the Institute of Development Studies Kolkata. Here the all details are given about this institute. If you want to read, then you can read it carefully. Here also mention program administrations. You also read it. Then coursework. Now coming to the important point, areas of PhD work. First, issues of Indian economy, inequality, poverty, nutrition and health education. Second, sports and development. Then land relation in Northeast India. Then union formation and fertility, family demography, population studies, urban geography, climate and health, social aspects of climate change, developmental challenges of denotified, nomadic and semi-nomadic communities. Here also mention the eligibility criteria in detail. You may check down properly with carefully. Here mention the library facility, then mention computer facility. Now coming to the how to apply. Candidates should apply online in the prescribed form that may be obtained from IDSK website. Here the official website are mentioned. You may check down properly with carefully. 500 rupees is the application form fees. 300 rupees for SC, ST and PH category. Here mention the last date 1st October 2024. Application fee should be paid online through NEFT or UPI. In favor of Institute of Development Studies Kolkata, here the account details are mentioned. You may check down properly with carefully. Now coming to the important dates for admission schedule. Last date for submission of application 1st October 2024. Entrance test applicable for those who have not cleared NET, SET or any other national level eligibility test or have not passed MPhil. 26 October 2024. Publication of shortlisted candidate call for interview 14th November 2024. Interview of shortlisted candidate tentatively December 3rd and 4th 2024. Publication of the list of selected candidates tentatively January 3rd 2025. Now coming to the entrance test. Date of entrance test 26 October 2024 Saturday. Time 12 to 2 p.m. Reporting time 11:30 a.m. Here also mention the PhD Research Advisory Committee. You can check down. Here also mention PhD dissertation title of studies, name of scholar, year of enrollment or supervisor. Here the all details are mentioned. You may check down properly with carefully. Then coming to the IDSK faculty. Here mention the different subject or different department wise faculty member. first director and professor of economics, then history, economics, sociology, economics, population studies, anthropology, population studies, economics, demography, population science, economics, all details are mentioned. You may check down properly. Here mention the governing council, you can check down it. Here also mention the publication details. Then mention occasional papers. Then working papers, special lecture, foundation day lecture series, reports. So these are all the details instruction and the in detail admission notification regarding the PhD admission from the Institute of Development Studies, Kolkata. So in intercity candidates may apply for this position. Thank you.